Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Look where I am for the first time. Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Guess where I am? So for the first time guys, since my childhood, I'm gonna be grazing goats. So I came to visit my friends and they have goats. So mimi ninachunga mbuzi. Hebu mnione ninajua how to do this. I was born in the village guys. Born on the farm. Let me show you how to do this. Tunachunga isiende kwa barabara. They're going. Hey, don't run. Okay. And they shouldn't go to the neighbors, right? Yeah. Okay, you can just stand there and I'll stand here. And we wait for them to graze. How do you see iyo maneno? I'm so excited. Oh my god. I can't believe it. I cannot believe. Amazia, how long are we gonna do this?
I did this for like 1 hour.
1 hour just watching Boozy eating. Isn't that exciting? So guys, you heard that? That's what I used to do. Let me flip it. Guys, this is what I used to do when I was a young kid. So I'll come home from school, right? I'll come home from school and I'll come home at noon, eat lunch, and then the next thing after lunch is like, Mom will tell me, it's now enda chunga mbuzi. And I would chunga mbuzi until around 5. Oh my god, it was the most lonely experience ever. As a kid, you're just like standing watching goats and sheep eat, and you're supposed to chunga them like siende kwa ninyo, what is it, neighbors, sikule mahindi ya neighbors, bure utakuja kuchapwa, you know. It was as a kid, oh my god, that was lonely because you're just there watching because you're afraid, oh my god, mbuzi itaenda kwa neighbors alafu itaenda kuchapwa. So leo hakuna mtu atanichapa, lakini guess what, bringing in memories. So I'm just watching. Do you got names for these? Okay, hold on, let me introduce you guys to these goats. I'll introduce you. Okay, what's their names?
This one right here is
Oh,
Boba.
okay, hold on. So this one, guys, meet who?
Boba.
Boba?
Yeah.
So this is Boba. Hi, Boba. And then, the other one?
Her mom is Vanilla.
Vanilla. So Boba, Vanilla, and then that one, the next to Vanilla.
Oh, this one is Corazon.
Kozon. Okay, how about this one here?
That's Coco.
Coco? How about that one over there?
That's Milo.
Myla? That's Myla. And how about that one?
That's
Brownie,
Brownie.
Myla, Coco. I forgot this one. There's two more. How about that one? The one that you're running towards?
That's
Skipper?
Yeah.
And then there's those two. That one, what's the name of that one?
Sugar.
Sugar? And then that one next to you? Huh? Huh? Salty? Can you spell that?
C-O-T-T-E-N.
Oh, saute. Oh, wonderful. See, guys, meet our goats. Huh? Meet our goats. For 1 freaking hour, I'm just gonna be sitting here staring at goats eat. Isn't that amazing? What's relaxing than that, actually? Huh? What is more relaxing than that? Do you enjoy doing this? Yes? Not that much, right? As a kid, not that much. What do you like most about it? To hold the babies is your favorite part. Oh, okay. Where did Chipto go? Huh? Huh? Oh, the dog. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll show you the chickens. We also have the chickens to take care of, and the dog. Farm life, South Bend, Indiana. Thank you. So this girl right here, oh my god, guys, do you see? She got big titties. She gives a lot of milk. Look. Kati got big titties with lots of milk. This meat, what's the name of this dog?
Taji.
Taji. Hi, Taji. Taji is part of the animals we keep here. There you go. He thinks what?
He's the boss, but he's not the boss.
Ooh, you heard that? He thinks he's the boss, but he's not. Okay. Guys, these are the neighbors. Neighbors without fences. This is the state, Indiana, where former Vice President Mike Pence hails from this state. What else about Indiana can I tell you? There you go. So these are the neighbors. Okay, Amazia, what are you doing right now?
I'm milking
You're holding it. Why are you holding the horns of that one?
because if you let go, the mom would let the babies milk.
Oh, so you're helping the babies get the milk.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So guys, we finished taking care of what?
The goats.
The goats. Now we're gonna do what?
Go get ice cream.
Ice cream, yay! We worked, we deserve it. So we are in a place called Niles, Michigan. It's the border of Indiana and Michigan and my company, we are going to eat ice cream. The ice cream shop is over here. It's called Swaley's. Actually, it's going to be frozen yogurt. So what we are about to do, guys, I don't know. I don't think it's illegal in America to cross when the light is not red. So we're gonna go to the lights, because if we cross, it's called if you cross the road, jaywalking.
Yeah.
It's called jaywalking. So we can get tickets, and we don't want to get tickets. We are law-abiding citizens. So let's wait for the lights. I don't know if there's light. There's no light. Let's walk. Come on. So guys, you have to wait for that sign to walk. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. So we came to a frozen yogurt place. Those are the flavors. Those are the flavors. Those are the flavors. Who's gonna go for first? You can mix as much as you want. Yeah. So which one are you gonna start with? Okay, go ahead then. Okay, that's enough, and then you can mix with others. Okay. So that's how it works, guys. I'm getting mango and French vanilla. Ooh. We can top it up with all this.
There's even there's gummy worms. Look.
This is what we got. That's Chip's house. That's mine. That's Amazia's. And we are just about to go back.
Hey everyone, so we are going to go to a park. To eat our ice cream. I got Dutch chocolate, blueberry, blue raspberry, and cotton candy.
Yeah.
You get them, Isaiah. I got the same thing as yours, but different stuff. Yeah, Isaiah got the same. So we're just gonna be driving to the park.
I think we have to walk there. I don't think there's a way to. You can turn it off now. So something.
So here there is like vegetables. It's a huge garden. Still on our way home. Okay guys, so we saw a flower shop and we wanted to pass by before we went home.
Okay, we saw some nice things here and we wanted to stop by to see. So this is $6 a pot, and I don't know how much this is. I don't know how much she said it is, but we are going to buy some things. I guess that is the price there.
So we're going home, right, Amazia? Amazia? Wait, where's Amazia? Right here. Oh, we're going home now.